Big changes are coming to the way UK passport holders enter Europe. From 12th of October 2025, the EU is launching a brand new border system. No more relying on passport stamps. Instead, think queues, fingerprints, facial scans, unless you're prepared. So stick around because I'm breaking down exactly what's changing, how it affects UK travelers, and what you need to know before your next trip. What is EES? The EES, or Entry-Exit System, is a new EU-wide digital border system. Instead of stamping passports, it will digitally track every entry and exit of non-EU nationals, which includes UK passport holders post-Brexit. Why are they doing this? To improve security, reduce illegal overstays, and speed up border processing. Think of it like the UK e-gates, but with a twist. On your first entry into the EU, you need to give 4 fingerprints and a photo. Children under 12 don't need to do fingerprints, but adults do. After that, the system logs your comings and goings automatically. When does this start? Circle this date, October 12th, 2025. That's when EES officially launches. But it won't flip on everywhere at once. It will roll out gradually at airports, seaports, and train stations across Europe, with a full rollout by April 2026. So, if you're heading to Paris or Rome this Christmas, you might be asked to register. By Easter 2026, it will be everywhere. What does this mean for UK passport holders? This is especially important if you're traveling on a UK passport. Whether you're British born or, like me, Nigerian, but also a UK citizen through naturalization, you'll be treated as a third country national. That means you're definitely in the EES system. No shortcut, no exceptions, unless you hold a EU or Irish passport. So, UK travelers, prepare for your first trip after October to take longer because you'll be fingerprinted and photographed at the border. Future trips will be quicker since your data is stored for 3 years, but that first entry may be slow. What about passport stamps? Will they disappear immediately? Not quite. During the transition until April 2026, you might still get stamps alongside the digital check. But after that, stamps will be gone. Your passport will look strangely empty, but your entry and exit will be fully digital. So what are key travel tips here? What should you actually do? Arrive early, especially if you're using busy borders like Dover or Eurostar. Expect delays. Rollouts of new tech are never smooth. Keep your documents handy, hotel bookings, return tickets, etc. Watch your days, very important. The 90 days in 180 rule will now be tracked perfectly. No sneaky overstays. Bottom line, plan ahead. So there you go. EES is coming, and it will change how UK passport holders enter the UK forever. Whether you're British born or, like me, part of the African diaspora with a UK passport, this affects you. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, save this video, and share it with someone traveling to Europe soon. Because trust me, the queues will be real and you'll want to be prepared. Travel smarter, not harder. I hope you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more important travel updates.